In this session, we will talk about the repair tools in SpaceClaim. These tools are used to clean and fix imported geometry before meshing in simulation. We will see how to close gaps, find missing faces, stitch surfaces, and simplify edges. The goal is to create a clean, watertight solid that is suitable for CFD or FEA. By the end, you should know which repair tool to use for each common geometry problem. First, we will look at the stitch tool in the repair environment of SpaceClaim. Stitch is used to join separate surface faces that touch each other along their edges. When these stitched faces form a closed shell, SpaceClaim automatically creates a solid body. The tool also detects and removes duplicate, coincident faces before merging the surfaces. We use Stitch mainly to turn imported surface models into clean, single solid parts for analysis. In this example, you can see that our geometry has not formed a single body. By activating the Stitch option, the software detects two regions that, if repaired, can be combined into one solid body. You can either select and fix each region one by one, or click on the check mark shown here to let the tool repair all detected regions at once. By clicking the Zoom to Fit option, the software automatically zooms in on the problematic regions. Next, we will look at the Missing Faces tool in the repair environment of SpaceClaim. This tool automatically detects and fills faces that are missing in the geometry, especially in imported models. It searches for open edge loops and suggests new faces that can close these openings. You can choose to create all suggested faces at once or select only specific ones to repair. The goal is to turn an open, incomplete model into a closed, clean geometry suitable for meshing. By repairing these regions, as you can see, the geometry issues are resolved and the model is converted into a single solid body. As another example of the Missing Faces option, here we have a geometry that was downloaded as a CAD model and imported into the software. By clicking on Missing Faces, the software, as you can see, detects the faces that should exist in this geometry but are missing. You can then repair the issues related to these regions and create a correct and complete geometric model. Again, by using Zoom to Fit and reviewing each missing face one by one, we proceed to repair them. It is better to apply these changes separately because in some cases, fixing all issues at once may damage the geometry. Therefore, we examine and correct the geometry step by step, checking each repaired region individually. Next, we will look at the Split Edges tool in the repair environment of SpaceClaim. This tool detects coincident edges that lie on top of each other but do not form real boundaries between different faces. It then merges these unnecessary split edges into a single clean edge. This reduces small artificial segments and makes the geometry simpler and easier to mesh. We use split edges to clean up imported models that contain many redundant edge divisions. In this step, we again try to repair the detected issues, but as you can see, the software cannot fix the problem in the two highlighted regions. The reason is that in these areas we have extra edges, and that is the main source of the problem. The Extra Edges tool works similarly to the Merge Faces tool, but it operates on edges instead of faces. Instead of selecting two faces to merge them, you select the edge between the faces so that the extra edge is removed and the faces are merged into one. As you can see, after fixing the extra edges issue, the previous problem was also resolved, because the main cause of that error was exactly these extra edges. Now I move on to a different geometry and apply the same repair commands to it again. I start with the Split Edges option, and the software reports 26 problematic regions. At first, I manually go through these regions one by one and fix each issue individually. Since there are so many problematic regions, I prefer to click the check mark and let the software fix all of the issues at once. Now this time, I use the Extra Edges tool, and following the same procedure you see here, I review and correct the extra edges one by one. It is better to follow the same procedure that I am using, and as much as possible, make the geometric corrections carefully and with enough understanding. Use the Zoom to Fit option to get a clearer view of the problematic regions, and then rotate the geometry to gain a complete and accurate view of the areas detected by the software. After that, you can proceed to repair your geometry properly. I hope this video was useful for you. To benefit from Mr. CFD's services, including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website and contact us via these addresses.